How to do this effect. Select the Type tool. Click on the sequence to add text. Open the Text drop-down menu. Here you can access the text size, color, and other text properties. Search for the crop effect in the Effects panel. Click and hold the crop effect, and drag it down into the text object in the timeline. You will now see options for crop in the Effect Controls panel. Click the clock next to the right option. This enables keyframes. Open the drop-down to reveal a slider. Make sure you're at the first frame of the text you want to edit. Move the slider over until only the first word is shown. Navigate in your timeline to the frame before you want your second word to appear. Click here to add a new keyframe. Move one frame over with the right arrow key. Move the slider to the left until the next word appears. Repeat this process, going to the frame before you want the next word to appear. Add a new keyframe, then move one frame to the right. Move the slider to the left once again to reveal the third word. Repeat this process for the fourth word. For the final word in your text, you can move the slider over to 0%, as this will reveal the whole line. Don't forget to save your project. Here's the final result.